Here are some of Marcus Aurelius's most life-changing quotes from his work Meditations, which encapsulate the essence of Stoic wisdom and have the power to transform the way we live and think. 1. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Life lesson. This quote reminds us that while we can't control everything that happens to us, we have control over how we respond. True strength lies in mastering our thoughts and reactions, not external circumstances. 2. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Life lesson. Our thoughts shape our reality. By focusing on positive, rational, and constructive thoughts, we can improve our inner life, regardless of external situations. Cultivating a healthy mindset is key to a fulfilling life. 3. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Life lesson. This quote pushes us toward action. Instead of debating what virtue looks like or philosophizing endlessly, we should embody the virtues we admire through our actions. It's a call to live by example. 4. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. Life lesson. Gratitude is essential to Stoic philosophy. This quote is a reminder to appreciate the simple blessings of life and the opportunity we have each day to experience existence, regardless of the challenges we face. 5. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. Life lesson. Integrity is central to Stoic ethics. This quote encourages us to be mindful of our actions and words, ensuring they align with what is right and truthful. It serves as a guiding principle for moral conduct. 6. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. Life lesson. Fear of death can prevent us from truly living. This quote challenges us to embrace life fully, live with purpose, and not be paralyzed by the inevitability of death. True living means engaging deeply with the present. 7. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Life lesson. Marcus Aurelius teaches that revenge or retaliation is not the way of the wise. Instead, the best response to wrongdoing is to rise above it by embodying virtue and refusing to mirror harmful behavior. 8. Accept the things to which fate binds you, and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart. Life lesson. Stoicism emphasizes acceptance of life's circumstances and the people in our lives. This quote encourages embracing those we encounter with love and kindness, while also accepting that fate plays a role in who enters our lives. 9. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Life lesson. The nature of our thoughts influences the state of our soul. By nurturing positive, virtuous thoughts, we shape the essence of our inner being. Negative thoughts, on the other hand, corrupt our character. 10. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. Life lesson. This quote encourages humility and open-mindedness. It reminds us that our perceptions and opinions are subjective, and we should approach the world with a sense of curiosity and openness, instead of rigid certainty. 11th. Do every act of your life as if it were your last. Life lesson. Marcus Aurelius emphasizes the importance of living with purpose and intention. By treating each moment and action as precious, we can ensure that our lives are lived fully, with no room for regret or wasted time. 12th. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Life lesson. Obstacles are not just challenges to overcome. They are opportunities for growth. This quote teaches the Stoic principle that adversity is essential for personal development, and we should embrace challenges as the path forward. 13. Look well into thyself. There is a source of strength which will always spring up if thou wilt always look. Life lesson. Inner strength comes from within. By turning inward and reflecting on our own potential and virtues, we can find the resilience needed to overcome difficulties, rather than relying on external circumstances. 14. It never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinions than our own. Life lesson. Marcus Aurelius points out the irrationality of letting others' opinions dictate our actions. Stoicism teaches that we should prioritize our own inner judgment and virtue over external validation. 15. Confine yourself to the present. Life lesson. This is a powerful reminder to live in the moment. Worrying about the past or future is unproductive. Stoicism encourages focusing on the present, where we can actually exert control and make meaningful changes. 16. The art of living is more like wrestling than dancing. Life lesson. Life is a struggle, full of unexpected challenges that require strength and resilience. This metaphor highlights the Stoic belief that life's trials should be met with endurance and skill rather than seeking effortless ease. 17. Do not be afraid of change, for it is leading you to a new beginning. Life lesson. Change is a constant part of life. Instead of fearing it, Stoicism teaches that we should embrace change as an inevitable force that can lead to growth and new opportunities. These quotes reflect Marcus Aurelius's deep Stoic understanding of life, encouraging us to cultivate inner peace, strength, and wisdom in the face of life's uncertainties. His insights remind us that true power lies within us, in our ability to control our thoughts, actions, and attitudes.